Hi, how are you? In this canvas, we're going to draw a very nice scenery. You can see that I'm working on a mountain lines here, which is just in a colorful white and purple or the pink color. So in your imaginations, you can draw the scenery. Any color combination you can put on here. So this looks good. Awesome. Awesome. Just putting the colors here. You're going to see that I'll put a moon here because it's the scenery of the night. So when we draw, just drawing some, you can see some glare around the moon here. So white glare you can see just coming up from the center point. Okay, so for the glares, just putting the brush strokes on the side. Okay, all right. Now taking more white color, you can see just making it a round shape moon. Okay, all right. If you like to put some little variations, then just putting some colors on the one side of the moon. Okay, just to make it a pink moon. Looks like a pink moon on one side, little bit darker. So there's a different types of color combinations you can see. Awesome. And here you can see the field that's going to be just with a little graphics you can see just putting here. Few graphics here. Okay, all right. And for the base we're just putting little, you can see the green color we are just putting in the field here. Okay, so there's a more of white, you can see the presence of white, but we're going to make it green, just adding the color. Okay, and making the variations. Okay, all right, with the same brush just putting, okay, the greeneries, the depth you can see just looking nice. Okay, and in some portions you can see the white glares. Awesome. So scenery getting very wonderful in a moonlit night. Okay, and you know it's a night sky, so that's why maybe later we're going to put some black shades here, but before that we are going to draw a tree here. So let's see. We're going to take the black color in this case for the branches of the tree, just putting it like this one. You can see. So this is the main trunk of the tree, and now putting the colors for the leaves, which is just deep and dark. Deep and dark at the bottom. Okay, so now adding little bit white color on the top just to show the reflections of the moonlit night on the top of the trees. Mm-hmm. And adding more white color on the top. All right, here just adding more white color on the top. Awesome. Some white color just going to add here. And the black is going to be here, but for few parts to increase the darkness at the bottom. So this is how the drawing is going to be finished. So it's a multi-layer picture, and just drawing some graphics with the brushes, you can see, for the final touches. So there's the variations in the layer, and later we're going to see the painting in a close view and in a far view. So you can see just adding the distance here. So looks good, looks good. Okay, so this is how you do the practice, and the drawing is going to be nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.